Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Today I want to cook a classic beef and broccoli recipe that everyone loves. It is the popular restaurant takeout dish, tender beef and a crunchy broccoli, perfect match with the rice. But the heavily salted and oil-drenched restaurant takeout beef and broccoli also bring me too much greasy guilt. Learn how to cook this easy dish at home can cut back at least 50% of the oil and salt intake. Plus, with the 3 secrets I will reveal in today's video, you will sure to dig your spoon into a big bowl of the most flavorful, tender, and saucy beef and broccoli meal in 30 minutes. Now let's get into it. The first step is to cut the meat. I have 2 pounds of beef in my fridge. Today I'm going to use half of it. You can see the grain of the beef. I'm going to cut with the grain to split it into 3 big parts first. The secret for tender beef is to slice the beef against the grain. Take 1 part, then lay your knife against the grain. Slice down to cut the meat into thin tiles. You can leave your beef in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes before cut to harden the meat a little bit. That will make it easier to slice the meat thin. For a smaller, thinner piece, cut against the grain with the angled forward knife to cut diagonally to break the beef apart for tender texture. Transfer the meat in the bowl and move on to the next step. Marinate the meat. Take a bowl, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix. Then put the beef in the mix. Use your hand and rub the mix into the beef until the sauce is evenly coated on the surface. The baking soda in the mix can raise the pH on the beef's surface to make it difficult for the proteins to bond excessively, which is the secret for tender and moisture beef. When you don't see any liquid left in the bowl, sit aside for 20 to 30 minutes. The third step is to prepare the veggies. Wash the broccoli clean. Then cut the broccoli from the stems. Then break the crown with your hand so you don't get too many messy crumbs. I also like to keep the crunchy stems. To add bright color, peel the carrots. Cut into thin slices. Blanch the veggies in boiling water for 1 minute. Add a pinch of salt in the boiling water can maintain the vibrant color of the veggies. Use the drainer spoon to take the veggies out and set aside. The next step is to prepare the sauce. The secret for the glorious gravy taste you get from the restaurant is this: oyster sauce. Our taste buds are naturally stimulated by these 5 flavors: hot, sour, salt, sweet, and savory. Oyster sauce combines the salt, sweet, and savory taste perfectly together, mixed with soy sauce, chicken stock, and cornstarch. It is the magic to guarantee your delicious beef and broccoli recipe. When everything is ready, cut 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and a few slices of gingers. We are ready to bring on the heat. High heat on. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add the beef in. Keep stirring and scraping to break apart the beef. When the beef is cooked halfway through, you still can see the pink part in the middle. Then take it out. Clean the pan and bring back to high heat. Half tablespoon oil in, add garlic and ginger. Wait until you can smell the garlic. Then bring back the beef. Add the veggies. Stir. Then pour the sauce in. Top with ground black peppers. And some sesame seeds. Stir and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. When the beef is completely browned through, but the veggies still maintain its crunchy texture, it is done. Turn off the heat. Take a bowl, 2 to 3 scoops of steamed multigrain rice. Top with 2 to 3 scoops of beef and broccoli. Let the rice soak up the garlicky, tangy flavor. Squeeze some lemon juice in. Take a bite. Let the tender beef, crunchy broccoli, and chewy rice bring out the fresh, savory taste to light up your mouth. Since it literally only takes about 30 minutes to cook this dish, this can be a perfect weekday dinner for the whole family. I hope you enjoy this quick and easy beef and broccoli recipe. Try it out and cook in your own kitchen to enjoy tasty food and better health. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy homemade food recipes every week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!